Alright, so I'm busy at work on the 2GRFSE for this video. Ran into a little weird part. It doesn't have lift hooks, right? I guess they just don't come with them. So I did some measuring, drew some up, and actually cut them out of 1/4-inch stainless steel. And I also did some measuring and cut a aluminum block-off plate for the fuel pump. So check it out. Here is our fuel block-off plate, cut out a 1/4-inch aluminum. Now it has a gasket on it, and let me take this off here. I matched it perfectly to the gasket. It looks kind of weird, honestly, because it overlaps right there, but it's a direct fit to the gasket, so I'm pretty happy with it. Holes did not cut well, so I had to drill them out. Aluminum holes just do not seem to plasma cut so well for me. Unless I way oversize them, I just get a horrible bezel. Bevel. A horrible bevel. That's the correct word, not bezel. Now, here is one of our stainless steel. It's, we very crudely bent it. A little beating. It's brushed. I brushed it. You made it have a brushed finish. Gotta bend my other one over here still. Kind of dark, sorry. So next, we'd like to get rid of this big, ugly casting. So we're talking about to see how this is stepped. Step down here, right? So that'll be fun to draw up, but making a billet one with passageway and just getting rid of all of the tubing here. Plus we can make it a little shorter so we can get a little closer to the back of the engine bay. And two, and I don't know where they went. Here we go. Here's the direct injection. Direct injectors. The injectors, right? They go down. This isn't quite right, but they go down into the down in there. So if you've watched Papa Doc's video, he put in first he just put these in there unplugged, and they got too hot, shot sparks everywhere. So he then put in press fit some dowels in there, just aluminum bar stock, and that seems to have worked. To do that though, you gotta, tear into your motor. So I had the idea of just taking these off, right? Taking these out, using the fuel rail here still, and just CNC churning some blanks and putting them in there. And then that kind of gives, and then this will mount in there like normal, and yeah, that'll actually give it a little extra strength too for blowing out or whatever. So looking that'll be in a future video, not in this video. I'm just mentioning it because I'm literally right here. And then we got to move on to our 5-speed, our R155 adapter plate for the 2GR here. I've actually drawn up all my holes and got that pretty spot on, but there's still some things to work on it, so we'll see. Rocky Mountain Race Week is coming up here pretty soon, so just with time constraints, I might actually have to just buy an adapter, which is unfortunate, but yeah, so a lot to do, a lot to machine, but we're really excited. We're almost there. More videos coming up soon. CNC machining, car stuff, obviously, and yeah, actually too. We got a trailer, but it needs a little TLC. Big surprise there. Everything we get seems to need a little TLC, but we're gonna do a cool video on that. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. All right, we're trying to build up this channel. We got a lot of Toyota projects coming up, and we're really excited, and we want to share it with you all. So subscribe, like, and let us know what you think in the comments below.